Jasmy, at the time of this recording, continues to see higher prices after bouncing from our Fibonacci key area of support between the 0.01479 and the 0.01104. We have now managed to break above a significant swing high above the 0.0199, flipping it back into support. And on today's update video, I will be giving you the reasons why we can continue pushing higher to the 0.03155 as my next target areas. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video on the daily chart, from the lows we made on the 7th of April, I have been terming that initial bounce as an impulsive edge wave count 1 to the upside. And after we picked in the formation of that first wave, I was expecting a bit of a short-term pullback in the formation of a second wave, whose minimum target areas I marked on the chart using this yellow target area, an area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave to the high of that wave 1. And you can see that my target area is between the Fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, an area that we have now fully maximized, and we are now seeing a reaction of that target area in what I believe is the start of a very impulsive bounce in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of that second wave. And on so doing, the area that I am paying attention to as my next target area lies on the Fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.0317, and that is an area that we can easily hit in the next coming hours. Expect a bit of a short-term pullback in the formation of that wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And for us to fully hit the minimum target areas for these wave 3, we need to see a substantial break above these significant swing highs, and the first one lies above the 0.0199, an area that we have now managed to break above, flipping it back into support. And the next one that we now need to break above lies above the 0.02146, and the moment we manage to break above that, flipping it back into support maybe with a retest, there's a very high chance that Jasmy is going to continue pushing higher and fully maximize our minimum target area above the 0.0135 in the next coming days. So that is all that I'm expecting here on the daily chart, here on the Jasmy chart. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart, we have also seen a break above a significant key area of resistance between the 0.01903 and the 0.01445, which is this yellow target area. And that was an area that I was paying attention to as a minimum target area for this ABC corrective move. And I said to you in my previous videos that if by any chance we break to the upper side of this target area, then that will be a clear indication that a more bullish case scenario is unfolding, and this is not an ABC corrective structure anymore. So there's a very high chance that this now is a 5-wave structure to the upside, having this as the wave 1, then a wave 2, a wave 3 over here, then we got a slight pullback in the formation of that wave 4, and we are now in the final phase of that 5-wave structure in the formation of that wave 5. And given that that is the case, then we should be able to identify minimum target areas for this wave 5, and we can do so by connecting the Fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of that wave 3, and that means that we can easily push to the Fib level 0.618 as our next target area above the 0.0212 in the formation of this wave 5. And if we have more bullish momentum, we can easily break above that key area on the Fibonacci's before we can top out. And then from that point, we can expect a bit of a corrective structure in an ABC corrective move over here, find support, and then continue pushing even higher. So those are the two possible scenarios that I expect here on the Jasmy chart, on the short term and also on the long term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.